Can you go me at 5? Can you go me at 5? Really? It's nice to meet you. Really? What are you thinking about? How are you doing? How are you doing? I like football, basketball, tennis, and golf. I like work, come home, and have dinner. Do you want a blue one or black one? Is his name Matthew or Michael? I need to talk to you. Black and white. Let's go for a walk. I can't do it. You can do it. We can do it. I'm leaving on Mondays or Tuesday. Can I come in? Yes, come on in. The door is open. She's single and she's so happy. I'm married and I'm miserable. Pop music. Good book. Good book. Laugh. Books. Seats. Place. Eyes. Pants. Watch. 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 Rose. Busy. Stop. Cook. What? Love. Played. Bored. Want. Needed. Rouse.